Ka Alpha College of Arts and Commerce Nongpo mentang sengi kelap pernah perdana ia ke Jinglehkmen Recreation Week jong ketika silam ai jing hikai hak bahag ne ketayau la penlong ia ke Jinglehkai beper nak bentagi kena pulih hak ne ke silam ai jing hikai ke belak bananam hasor Nongpo hak ne ke sengi penkot la penlong ru ia ke jing kop thei babriu bat kirang kensai kebala tip kum ke Prince and Princess Alpha dak ba penput ru ia ke jing ai kusnam sekinong job ke bala sim benta hak Jinglehkai beper Lawan ru ban sakhi daw MLA katha nyuba Emerald Bonsim nang taw MDC katha nyuba Balajit Rani DSEO ke district ikong PL Nonglaj Reverend KB Kharbeteng ubri principal ketika college ikong WK Bla ibdi principal ke Alpha Higher Secondary School kinohikai bat ki khana school ha gini ngasngi nagaliang jong uba Emerald Bonsim ulan no senyang daga song bisa ke basan po hajar tengka sya ketika college kum ke jing kersian ni ke jing don kam ki babon ha gini ke silam ai jing hikai
will bless you. Thank you so much. A small gift of 50,000. Thank you so much. Kubli, mithala kardom barak kubli.
Big round of applause. Come on, everybody. But for everything. Once again, a big round of applause for Emily. Best wishes. Best wishes for
country today. Mounting your heart in your way. In the midst of fear and despair. With love and knowledge to share. Rise through the dawn. Bring hope in the wilderness. Everyone in history. Be solid light of humanity. Dare to dream. Open eyes of paradise. Service to learning to disperse. Alpha College of Arts and Commerce.
Team that has been organized beautifully, Dare to Dream. The question is now to each and every one of you, my young students, in the college, in the school, in the higher secondary, even the school, that do you have a dream on? For example, I'll tell you, each and every one of you who are present here today, you are the captain of your own ship, who have to sail through from one end of the river to the another end. Now the question is that whether you can sail through or not. The question to all the students that you have a dream or not to sail through the other side of the river or the ocean. The question is that whether you will sail through or not in your dream, in your vision, mission and determination to become someone. The question to each and every one of you when you will go back home from now, in this evening, from tomorrow you have to start thinking whether I am a good captain or not of that ship, whether I will be succeed or not in my life. Swami Vivekananda have said in his famous quote, arise, awake, and do not stop until you achieve your goal. That should be there in our mind, each and every one of us, to go through, to pass through this challenging world. Each and every one of us. Everyone has a challenge. No one is having a peaceful life, live beautifully, enjoy like that. Everybody we have our own challenges. As a legislator, I have a lot of challenge. As a student, you have a lot of challenges. As a teachers, the faculty members in the college, you have a lot of challenge. I'm not wrong to say, in the 80s, when Kong W.K. Black, with the support of her family, with the support of my mentor, Dr. Didi Lapang, they have a huge challenge to start this beautiful educational institution that has been built in this particular town, Nongpo town. I'm not wrong to say, Kongpla, you have been through many challenges, many ups and downs in your life, many difficulties through thick and thin in your life. But today, you have succeeded. From the lower level of the school to the UP, secondary, higher secondary, now there is Alpha College of Arts and Science. Who would dream that this day will happen? But you have a dream, your family has a dream, Kong WK Bla has a dream, Pastor Kedi Karpeteng has a dream, Ba RP Bla has a dream, all your family members have a dream that this educational institution will come out beautiful.
Master, then you must have fun. We cannot learn with full of burden, with full of stress. So sometimes life should have fun in our life. I think your college this year, they organize this beautiful recreation week for you, my dear student. As what Madam DSEO has given us a great message for you. It is important for our students to have some kind of enjoyment in the midst of their study. I think the whole year you have been in class, you are busy with your book, busy with your homework, and so on and so forth. You have spent a lot of time in study. So your college authority this week has provided you this platform to also showcase your talent. Because why? By having such a platform, it will build your confidence in you. It is very important for young students like you to have a confidence in you.
This is a time, remember, apart from reading, apart from your books, this is the time to show yourself what is your hidden talent. And this will help you to refresh your mind and refresh your body. And without these extracurricular activities will make you or will invite one, obese, or even illness. So due to these extracurricular activities, refresh your mind, soul, and body at the same time. So during school week or college week or recreational week, you could project your future through maybe through singing, dancing, and any other activities.
And the winner is Ankita Day from Red Flash. Winners of the doubles category in boys, Lanbilung Bora and Vicky Semle from the Blue Aquaman. Please give a big round of applause. Daniela Maslai and Saman Bahapongro from the Blue Aquaman.